Hey, what's up? It's LP, and I finally got my Sony FX6. So I'm just gonna open it up. It's been back ordered for like 2.5 months, so I'm pretty excited. I just got it today, at the day of filming this video. Got some phones. Air stuff. All right, and there it is. All right, Sony Cinema Line FX6. All right, let's check it out. So I decided to go with this camera over the Komodo. I was actually looking at getting the Komodo, and I tried to buy one. But then I found out about this camera, decided to go with it. So we've got USB 3.0, Type A to Type C. Let's see what else we got on the top here. Let's see what we got. I think this might be the side handle. Yep, there we go, we got the side handle. Why did they do this? It's stuck in here. Okay, that's a little much, Sony. Come on. Okay, let's get rid of that. So we've got the side handle, plugs in. It's got start, stop, record, menu functions here. That's the lock it in. Zoom rocker, that's cool. Focus, and then probably change more settings, shutter or something. That's cool. Let's keep that here. Let's see what else we got in here. Power cable. Oh, there's something else in here. Little hot shoe. Or it turns into a cold shoe, I guess. I don't know. Huh. Let's see, I think that's it. For this, yeah, that looks like it's it. Get rid of that. See what else we got in here. We've got Sony Battery, BP U35. I actually did a video about the gold mount batteries that I decided to buy instead of using these. I don't really want to use these when I'm shooting. You know, they're nice. You know, they could be good for doing like gimbal stuff or whatever if it's, you know, locked off somewhere, but I'm probably not going to use these batteries. There's probably just some literature in here about the batteries. I don't care about that. Put the handle over there. All right, let's see what else we got. Got the monitor. Nice little monitor. It's going to go on the top handle. Okay. Set that to the side. It's a little smaller than I thought it would be, but it's nice. It's not bad. Let's see what else we got in here. AC power with the barrel connector, pretty standard. Let's see, what's this? This might be a Hoodman for the monitor. Yeah, that's what it is. Nice little Hoodman. These are nice, especially if that monitor is not very bright. It'll be great to have this when you're outdoors. This is a charger. Yep, little charger. Pretty basic. Let's see, we've got some literature. I'll take a look at that later. See, we've got some more stuff here on the side here. I think this is the top handle. this out of the way. Now I might go with a different top handle with the cage that I bought. I bought a tilted cage, so I might end up using that instead, but if you want to use audio, you have to use this top handle if you want to do audio in, because it's the only way to get the audio inputs into the camera. So, you know, if you want to do scratch audio or something, you're going to have to use this. And it looks like it has a microphone built into it. I don't know if it comes with a shotgun mic or not. I guess we'll find out. It probably doesn't. That's a nice, pretty sturdy handle. I like that, it's nice. Just some cardboard. And that's it. Now here's the main event. It's pretty tiny. It's basically the same design as the FX9, just more compact. So you've got, you know, the record, you can lock it, the audio controls, some programmable buttons, to bump the camera. Your variable NDs. You can do auto or preset. ND on, clear. You can, oh, that's nice. That's nice. It has a clear button, so you can just clear out whatever ND you have in there. That's very nice. Menu dial, gain, white balance, shutter, high, medium, low gains, preset white balances, slot selection, on, off. It's nice to see it's got 2 mounting points, so that way your plate doesn't spin. It's got 3/8 and 1/4 20, and then a little pin here, because some of the plates have little pins in them, so to help. So if it doesn't have 2 screws, you can they'll have a little pin in there to keep it from rotating. The other side, we have where your handle goes. The grip plugs in here for the controls. Viewfinder. This is where the sensor plane is. That's what this little symbol is. Time code, in or out. Most likely you're going to want to be in if you want to jam it. It's nice that it has that. It's very good to have for a professional camera. All right, let's look at the I/O. We've got power, a little USB micro B, a little remote, BNC time code in or out, and SDI out. That's the only way to SDI out. Oh, and it has HDMI out, so that's nice. And then the battery, and the card slot. Let's check this out. So I went with the CF Express Type A cards for this camera, so I'm not limited with the frame rate. So I can do all the frame rates. I can go all the way up to 120 4K with those cards. So yeah, and it's full frame. Let's take a look at the sensor. Here we go. Unlock it. Look at that nice big sensor. Very cool. And I bought a E-mount to EF adapter to go with my Leica Ars. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm gonna do another video with the cage, and I'll build this. This will all be built up, and I'll put the cage. I bought a tilted cage for it, so I'll do a video opening that up and building it on the camera. So I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to shoot with this thing. I've been waiting for it for over 2.5 months. So I'm gonna do some tests on it, some exposure tests, and I'm even gonna compare it to the Sony Venice, because I have a friend who has a Venice. So I'm gonna do some comparisons with exposure and stuff like that, see how it holds up against their flagship, Sony's flagship cinema camera. If you guys like this video, let me know. It's the first time I've done a video where I've like unboxed something. If you want to see more of that, let me know. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Going off walkie.